this is the storage unit we want to set up. Hi guys, so it's time to start coupling this stuff together. Sorry. When you
Just like
no sing so
okay, busy.
What's that thing?
Is it plug or
I think it's plug. Good evening. So today I completed my master's program because we submitted our dissertation today, and it's just been a sweet feeling. You know when they say bittersweet feeling? I'm not going to say it is bitter. I'm going to say it is more of a sweet feeling because the relief that came with submitting, it's unexplainable. We finished and we just said instead of staying indoors, let's just take a walk around town. So we are heading to. Do you want to show yourself?
Piccadilly.
It's been a while.
It's been a while we went out. We don't even know what Piccadilly looks like. We feel like there'll be new places.
Yeah.
But we're just happy that we are done with our dissertation and we're just grateful to God because God did it. It wasn't by our strength.
Yeah.
It was God from the beginning to now and for the future, because this time we'll come and say, oh, we got our sponsorship job. So nice to meet you guys. She's putting me in the camera.
This is my friend. I'm always saying my friend. Here she is.
Hi guys, please follow, like and subscribe. Smell good, look good and feel good.
Hi guys, good evening. Guys, it is that season where I get cough and catarrh, and this is how you know that you are an adult and nobody's coming to save you. I made my hair today, alright? This is my first time making braids in the United Kingdom since I got here, and I miss it. Let me see, I can show you. Right. So, as I was saying, this is how you know that you're an adult. I finished my hair today. I don't even know if I'm sounding well, but when I finished my hair, I stepped out to go get drugs because, this is moments like this are periods when I miss my dad. When I was in Nigeria, anytime I am sick, my dad will always get me drugs. Like, he never wants to hear that I'm sick. He never wants to hear that. So I stepped out to get drugs. Let me show you guys what I got. I got a couple of things. I got drugs. So the other day when I went out, I got Twinings. I got Twinings strawberry and raspberry tea. I've been loving so far. Let me show you. So far, I even take it without adding sweetener. Chamomile. It has the strawberry and raspberry flavor, and it is also red, so it looks like hibiscus tea, what we call zobo in Nigeria. So I went to Sainsbury's. I got Lemsip, Benylin, Oh, then I got this. I got this lozenges as well. Talk to you guys later. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. This voice is bad. I'm going to talk to you guys tomorrow morning. I wanted to show you guys what I'm up to, but my voice is saying, my voice is saying no. I'm trying to make myself noodles, hot, spicy, pepper soup style noodles. So this is what I'm having. Have my rice. I forgot to add tomatoes. Hey guys, good afternoon. Hi guys, good afternoon. It's been long I carried my phone to vlog, and the reason is because you can also sense it from my voice. My voice has been bad for maybe let me say like a week thereabouts. So the last time I spoke to you guys, that day that I spoke to you guys, after that day, it got really bad that when I'm speaking, nobody could hear. Like, even when people call, I don't pick up because like I was just training my voice. It got better yesterday. Today it is better, although I still sound like a man. But I mean, it is better. Yesterday we had like an office party. So it was just a nice experience. We got in late. Got home around 1 a.m. yesterday night. But I mean, it was fun. We took this picture. I and my friend, let me show you guys. This picture yesterday. Then we took like this one together. Tortilla wraps, well, because she knows I love to make potato, pan-fried potato wedges. Excuse me, I want to say it here now that shout out to the lady I saw at Aldi the day I went out to shop. I couldn't talk to you properly because I was running late for work and I wanted to like shop before going to work. So I'm so sorry if I didn't if the reception wasn't so great. That is not me on a normal day. Like, anybody who sees me can testify to this. Like, I'm always welcoming. I'm always happy. I have that bubbly energy when I see people who walk up to me and say, oh, I think I know you somewhere. Like, so I'm so sorry I responded that way that day, but shout out to you. Thank you so much for at least walking up to me to say, oh, I need to know, I watch your YouTube channel. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you for, for being here. I don't take any of you for granted. Like, I keep saying it every now and then, like, having 1,000 subscribers still doesn't make sense to me, right? It's just like there are some schools, there are some private schools that they are not up to 8,000, right? But here I am, I have 1,000 people who watch my channel, who subscribed, who leave comments, who share, who walk up to me even when they see me outside. I don't take it for granted, and I'm encouraging anyone also, like, when you see me outside, please guys, just walk up to me. I made my brace the other day, and my scalp, one thing I don't like about my scalp is so dry. No matter how hard, no matter how moisturized, no matter how I try to moisturize it, a day or two it is already dry, and then it starts hurting. But anyways guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Toodles. I'm back. I had my bait and I just remember that I got some, some skincare products the other day. Today's Tuesday, that was last week. And I changed a couple of things in my skincare routine. And one thing I want to start doing now is I want to stick to like a skincare product for let's say like a year before changing or switching things up. So initially I was using the Bioma. I think one thing I know I've stuck with for a while is like my Dove body wash, right? I also switched up on my sunscreen. I was using the Bondi Sandy's, right, sunscreen before. So I switched from that into something else. I just want to like show you guys the things I got. I don't even know if this view is good, but let me show you guys. So the first thing I changed was my body cream. So this is the body cream I'm using currently. It is by Neutrogena. It smells so good. The smell is so good. And I feel with this, it helps you to like build up on your smell. So when you use your body splash, your antiperspirant, then your perfume, it makes like the smell last longer. And the reason why I got this was because they said it comes with glycerin. I got my Dove body, what's it called now? Body wash. This one. There's this one I used to use before, but I didn't get it. I didn't see it in Boots this time around. So I got this, and this also smells so good. The next thing I got was Simple cream cleanser. So I remember when I started taking my skincare serious, I started with Simple products. Right now, with Simple products, their formula is kind of, as the name says, quite simple. Like nothing harsh. It doesn't have like smell and everything. So I got this again. It drew my attention because I had picked a particular product. I can't even remember the particular product I picked, but I had to drop it and I went back for this because now it says it contains 100% ceramide boosters and hyaluronic acid. They help in giving like your face, like, the boost, like giving yourself like looking, what am I saying? Having your face look moisturized and plump. I know that with hyaluronic acid. But for ceramide helps like, just to regenerate the skin, a healthy looking skin basically. So the next thing I got was this Nivea sunscreen. So like I said, I was using Bondi Sandy's before, and that product really worked. I know there's a lot of controversy about the sunscreen, but I still use it. I'm not going to lie about that. And it was SPF 50 and doesn't leave white cast. With dark skin, we ladies of color, we sometimes struggle with like getting like a sunscreen that doesn't give like the white cast. So and that's true. I wrote a blog post about that on my blog. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. I think I'm going to also add this. So I'm going to update that blog post and add this sunscreen. So if you're a black skin, a colored skin girly, and you're looking for sunscreens that don't leave like white cast, you can check the link in the description box. I'm going to leave the link to the blog post in the description box below for you to go check it out. So I was watching a lady's content on TikTok, and she also made mention about, the Nivea sunscreen. It was ranting and raving about it, that it is so good. You need to try it out as a black girl, as a colored girl. So I'm like, okay, I think that's the next sunscreen I'm going to try out. So I went to Boots and I saw it, and it is SPF 50, right? The one I wanted to get, I'm not going to lie, the one I wanted to get before was Super Goop. But guys, that sunscreen is quite pricey. It's quite pricey, and I don't have the money yet to start splurging on expensive sunscreen yet. I'm going to get to that point, but for now, not yet. So I got this as well. The next thing I got was a toner. So I got this Pixie. So what I wanted to get before was Paula's Choice. Yeah, Paula's Choice AHA BHA toner. Guys, like I said, that is quite pricey as well. Initially, I was like, okay, let me even get like the small bottle and see how it works on my skin. Then go and purchase like the bigger bottle. But it's quite pricey, and honestly, I don't have money because I just moved houses, right? I just moved houses. And if you know, so let me just put it out there. And so I got this one. Yeah, that's it. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I'm coming, guys. So for you to be sure, I used this sunscreen on my face, right? And you can see, like, it's not white. It's blended in so well and so fast, and it is light, like very, very lightweight. And another thing I got was the Health setting spray. Another thing I got was this perfumes from Zara. The bottle is so cute. So guys, I'm going to be very honest, I ran out of perfume, and you know how, because when you're abroad, like, you have access to like designer stuff, and like it is easy for you to access them. And I'd written on my list that I wanted the What's this perfume now? That Prada perfume that looks like, I've forgotten the name. That looks like this. I wanted that so much. And there's this other one, YSL Libre. I was like, okay, let me get it. But guys, like I said again, I just moved houses. I just moved houses, and guys, I'll keep saying it. If you know, you know. I went to Zara. I mean, they have like a couple of scents that are really, really good. And this bottle reminds me of Narcisco Rodriguez. I don't know the particular scent, but I'll try and insert the picture here for you guys to see. It reminds me of the bottle. Pack of 2. It came in 2, and it is 100 ml each. This one, there's a particular one I love more. Is this one. So this one is the nude bouquet, and this one is the lightly bloom. But I love this one more. I'm not gonna sleep until I edit 2 YouTube videos. Like, I don't know how I'm going to do it. Thank God I'm not going to work tomorrow, but I don't know how I'm going to do it. But I'm not sleeping until I upload it, until I edit completely 2 YouTube videos. Yeah, because I'm getting lazy, and that's not good. It's not good for business. So yeah, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. It means so much to me.
To run away.